Today we are making a recipe that I know everybody is gonna love. $1 Million Chicken Bake is what's on the menu, so let's go ahead and get started. This is a super easy chicken dish that I know is gonna be a big hit around the dinner table. To start this recipe, we're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees. To a large bowl, you're gonna add 6 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of crispy bacon crumbles, 1/2 cup of green onions, and about 3/4 cup of shredded Colby Jack cheese. Mix that all together until it's well combined in a delicious cream cheese mixture. To a large baking dish, you're gonna add 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast and spread the cream cheese mixture on top of each of the chicken breasts individually. Pop this in the oven and we're gonna bake this for 30 to 40 minutes or until the chicken is thoroughly cooked. About halfway through the baking time, actually remove the chicken from the oven and topped it with the remaining 3/4 cup of shredded cheese, and then put it back in the oven to finish baking and just give it that extra cheesy flavor. After the chicken is fully cooked, remove it from the oven, let it cool a little bit, and it is ready to eat. It is cheesy, it is juicy, it's got this salty bacon and incredible flavor. This is gonna be a hit with everybody. Serve this alongside a big salad or your favorite vegetable, and this will be a weeknight dish everybody will love and be asking for over and over again. For the full recipe, head on over to KentuckyLiving.com. Everything that you need to know, plus a ton of other Rita recipes are there. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen today, and until next time, I will talk to you all very soon. Bye.